Allahumma inni a'udhu bijalali wajhika al-kareem min kulli shaytanir rajeem anta al-afu fa'fu anni anta al-ghafurur rahim. Allahumma inni a'udhu bijalali wajhika al-kareem min kulli shaytanir rajeem.
So today's session is about what I term as compassionate orthodoxy, okay, which is really one of the most important things in terms of how the message has to be delivered, okay. And this is a very interesting learning technique that one has to sort of understand. So what is compassion? Can any one of you tell me कि compassion क्या होता है? Empathy से related होता है और empathy plus practice, चलो ऐसे कह लो. और कोई बंदा compassion कोई उर्दू का लफ्ज़ बताना चाहेगा? हाँ, हमदर्दी, ठीक है. So एक तरफ compassion we know is a soft sort of an emotion जहाँ आप किसी की feelings का एहसास करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है. You want to be kind towards somebody, you want to be merciful towards somebody, you want to be gentle towards somebody, हमदर्द, आप empathetic होना चाहते हो, ठीक है. ये सारी की सारी चीज़ है. And as humans, anybody who we tend to like, ठीक है, हम उसकी तरफ हमेशा क्या होते हैं? Compassionate होते हैं. वैसे तो सबके साथ होना चाहिए, but generally speaking ये एक चीज़ है. What is orthodoxy? Orthodox किसको कहा जाता है? हाँ? Fundamental is a very strong term, especially the way we use it. उर्फ में जिस तरह हुआ है, हालांकि दीन भी fundamentals पे खड़ा है, ठीक है. Traditional, ठीक है. Orthodox is traditional. Orthodox in the sense of Islam would be, can I say, if you would all to agree with me, कि Orthodox would be the true picture of Islam, the true message of Islam, right? So अब मसला क्या है? Especially the day and age that we live in, compassionate orthodoxy is a challenge in of itself. कि एक तरफ when you are interacting with people and the day and age that we live in, जहाँ social media का इतना influence है कि आपको multiple positions पता है हर चीज़ के बारे में, तो एक तरफ you want to preserve the true message of Islam. You want to make sure कि जब मैं कोई बात कर रहा हूँ वो बात हक हो, वो हक से deteriorate ना हो, right? मैं उसको सही बात पहुँचाऊँ उसी तरह जैसे रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने बात पहुँचाई थी. And दूसरी तरफ I want to be compassionate enough कि I don't want to say anything that drives him away from deen.
أنت العفو فاعف عني أنت الغفور الرحيم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك وأنعم.
एक बार एक young लड़का, he comes to the Prophet ﷺ, and I want to read out this ahadith because I think it's a really powerful ahadith, and I just want to read it out to you, right? So अबू उमामा अल-बहीली कहते हैं कि एक बार हम नबी पाक के साथ बैठे हुए थे and this young man came and वो enter हुआ मजलिस में and वो मतलब it's not as if he went to the prophet, उसने सबके सामने कहा कि ओ prophet of Allah, give me permission to fornicate, मुझे ज़िना करने की इजाज़त है. अच्छा इमेजिन करें हमारे नबी बैठे हुए कोई आके इस तरह ऐलान कर दे तो यहाँ even in a group of lesser people ईमान लोग annoyed हो जाएंगे. तो सहाबा उठ गए and they start to rebuke him. Immediately हमारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मना किया और कहा कि नहीं, send him to me, bring him close to me. तो वो उनके करीब आके बैठा तो हमारे नबी ने फरमाया, and this is just the way he would explain, right? He says कि बेटा ये जो तुम बात कर रहे हो fornicate करने की, do you wish the same for your mother, कि तुम्हारी वालदा के साथ कोई ऐसा करे? तो he said ला, नहीं मतलब कि ओ messenger of Allah, मतलब may Allah make me your ransom, that I would not want that. So then the Prophet said, so then nor do people wish it for their mothers. तो लोग भी नहीं चाहेंगे कि उनकी वालदा के साथ ऐसा हो. अच्छा I would say कि यहाँ conversation end हो जाएगी. It's a powerful statement in itself. बात समझ आ गई ना? The Prophet goes on. He says कि do you wish the same for your daughter? He said ला, wallahi ya Rasulullah, मतलब may Allah make me your ransom, I would not want that. तो हमारे नबी ने फरमाया कि nor do people want that for their daughters, right? Once again I would say the conversation should end, but the Prophet knows कि मैंने इसको ये बात समझा के ही छोड़नी है. He says कि do you wish the same for your sister? And he said ला, wallahi ya Rasulullah, I would not want that. So the Prophet said, nor do people want that for their sisters. I would say the conversation should end.
To do that, you'll need to be online.
Okay, ठीक है. So I would say the conversation should end there. The Prophet said, nahi. The Prophet says, do you wish that for your paternal aunt? He says, no. He said, nor do people want that for your paternal aunts. Do you want that for your maternal aunts? Matlab, ma, beti, behen, puppo, khala. He says, nahi, I would not want that. So the Prophet said, nor would people want that for their maternal aunts. And then the Prophet called him close. And he put his hand on his chest and he said that may Allah Ta'ala forgive your sins. And उसके बाद जो narrator है हदीस का वो कहता है कि उस लड़के ने उस दिन के बाद वो कभी ज़िना के करीब नहीं किया. अच्छा, a lot of people put emphasis on the dua that the Prophet made, and that's important. But I would really say कि जिस तरह अल्लाह हमारे नबी ने उस conversation को lead किया, there was no judgment. He was explaining to him a concept कि यार तुम्हें ये बात imagine करें आप हमारे ज़माने में हमसे आके कोई ये सवाल कर ले, हराम निकलो यहाँ से, लात मारो, जला दो इसको, right? There's this idea कि यार हमने किसी का गुनाह highlight करना है और उसको फिर उसी में embarrass करके ज़मीन में गाड़ देना है. But the Prophet slowly and surely takes him through a process जिसमें उसका mind ये समझ जाए कि हाँ यार ये चीज़ गलत है.